a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk. You're 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 a jerk.
No boy.
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 You're a jerk. 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 Jerk.
I'm so cocky with it. Got my eyes shut, closed like Rocky hit it. Got your girl on my swag, she loving them jerking songs like a new iPod. Just touch it to turn her on, and when the bass start beating in the waist, I'm beating. Done, I got on my way, I'm leaving. She like, where you going? I ain't got my shoes in first. I said, it's none of your concern, and she yelled,
You're a jerk.
so I walked out the door, called BJ. Told him it's a function, he said, I'm on my way. We put up to the party, I took off my shirt and got geeked up, everybody jerking. We was jerking to the right, jerking to the left, and she popped it out of nowhere, she was still half dressed. She like, for real jerk, you love me for this stuff, and the whole party heard her, but all I could hear was wah, 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 wah.
You're a jerk.
Why you tripping? I ain't even do nothing.
You're a jerk.
I'm a jerk, you ain't never lied, but hey, do me a favor, call me jerk one more time.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
Hey.
You're a
Hey.
jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
Hey.
You're a
Hey.
jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Jerk.
Jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Jerk.
Jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Jerk.
Jerk.
Jerk.
Everything quiet in the bass real hard, and I stay geeked up, never been a retard. Got a new boy swag in this here for y'all, so they gotta keep it separate like the Jim Crow laws. I'm a beast, I'm a king, and I guess I'm a jerk, and I go for big problems cause your boy here first. Man, you call me about it with your little jerk lines, and you say you brought it up, but the jerk is mine. You season, I'm season, but your style is whack. Why you coming to the front? You can push that back. Got your girl on the side, she talking them little stuff, while she texting on the phone. Ben J hit it rough, so I did, it was good, and I quickly got dressed. She was like, where you going? There's another girl next, and she screamed out loud, Ben J.
You're a jerk.
And I had nothing to say, but sorry that it hurts.
Wah, 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 wah.
You're a jerk.
Why you tripping? I ain't even do nothing.
You're a jerk.
I'm a jerk, you ain't never lied, but hey, do me a favor, call me jerk one more time.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
Hey.
You're a
Hey.
jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
Hey.
You're a
Hey.
jerk. 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 Jerk.
Hey, Brody.
Jerk.
Yeah, what up, bro?
All this jerking got me kind of feeling geeked up.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, dog, I think you might chop something up.
Alright, for sure, hold up.
Starting to see spaceships on Bankhead.
Yeah, like this.
Alright. Hey, yo, bro. Hey, man, what you want me to do now?
Man, don't even trip, I got it.
Alright, for sure.